Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Porsche Macan taillight. First, locate the two Torx screws holding the taillight in place. These are typically T25 screws, so grab your driver. Once unscrewed, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back from the vehicle. It should slide out smoothly, so avoid any forceful prying. This initial step is crucial for a damage-free removal. With the taillight assembly pulled away, you'll see the electrical connector. Press the release tab firmly and carefully pull the connector apart. Sometimes there are additional clips or guides securing the wiring harness. Make sure these are also detached. Take your time here to avoid damaging any wires or the connector itself. Once everything is disconnected, the taillight is completely free. When you're ready to reinstall, first clean the mounting area thoroughly and check the rubber gasket for any wear or damage. This ensures a good seal. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points before gently pushing it back into position. Then, firmly reconnect the electrical connector, listening for that satisfying click to confirm it's secure. Proper alignment prevents future issues. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two Torx screws, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened to prevent stripping. Once everything is back together, it's crucial to test all tail light functions. Check your brake lights, turn signals, and running lights to confirm everything works correctly. And hey, while you're sprucing things up, life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.